Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my videos. First things first, I hit a raccoon. I found it. I found the raccoon. Oh my gosh. I don't know how else to say it. Boys, I hit a raccoon. I was coming home last night. I'm coming down right at the top of my street. It gets kind of wavy. It's kind of woody a little bit. Kind of some nice area. Coming through some curves, bro. All of a sudden, I see this. And like, that's how fast it was. Literally, it's like a split second. I knew exactly it was a raccoon. I tried like swerving a little bit. It comes down to this, okay? My dad had this guy he worked with, his kid. There was a duck in the road. Don't ask me why there was a duck in the road, but there was a duck in the road, and basically he swerved to miss the duck, hit the curb, broke his axle, totaled his car over a duck. So long story short, he kind of just told me, hey, if something ever happens like that, just hit the duck. So let me darken this down a little something. So all right, so coming down to it, I really didn't even have the time to swerve, but guys, I hit the raccoon. I was tripping. And I'm driving for like 30 seconds. I'm like, oh, I'm screaming, dude. It's like 11:30 at night. I'm screaming, and I can just hear. And then it hit my front tire again, and then it hit my back, and I was just sitting there like. Let's go check this out. Oh my gosh, this is what it did to my bumper. But look at this. It had to have hit the center right here, popped out this centerpiece right here. So I get home and my grill is pushed in like this, and that's really all I could see. I did a full look around the car and I couldn't really see anything but this. And after looking at it, the little clips in here, I think it just popped it out of place. You also have to think I was just coming down the road right up here, so I was probably cruising at about 35 miles an hour. So nothing too fast, nothing too crazy, but it did do enough to pop. It was a big raccoon. I you know, did enough to pop in my grill. So basically I'm just gonna try to set this back into place, and hopefully it did not destroy it any worse than I want it to be. But let's go ahead and try to fix this grill piece. So I kind of have it lined in place, and as you can see right here, there's just a bunch of clips that pop in and out. Oh, I need to push that underneath a little bit. So now I think we just can pop it back in. Oh, perfect. Pop, perfect. The grill piece popped in a little bit easier than I thought. I'm super lucky that I didn't destroy my bumper or that nothing bad happened outside of just the grill popping out. One thing that I've actually kind of learned from this is that grill piece pops out right where the front mount intercooler is displayed, and how you install the front mount intercooler. You basically just, Subaru allows you to, you just pop out that grill. You don't really have to cut anything. That was super nice to learn, because I was thinking for the front mount intercooler, I'd have to cut all that out. With it just popping out, that makes it a lot cleaner and a lot easier to do. So front mount intercooler, that's right where it sits, and now I know you just have to basically pop out the grill, or else hit another raccoon and it'll do it for me. All right, where'd you guys go?
We went to like 7 different places.
You all right?
100. I can't see.
I just got a bunch of presents. I don't even know. Sophie just pulls up and like, look at this now. Oh my gosh.
You said presents as you showed garbage. Presents.
Yeah.
Yeah, I only have fries and a Frosty. I ate all my 10 chicken nuggets.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
What is on your cheek? Sage, what's on her cheek?
A hickey.
A what?
A hickey. Sage. But this girl named Brindley gave me a hickey while I was asleep.
You got some weird friends.
Look at these J's.
Forgot my keys. Once again, let's go. We're heading out. I forgot to tell you, I sold my wheels. She came and picked them up. She put them on her car, and look how good it looks. Yo, for this segment of the video, I just linked up with John. He has the FRS that you guys seen in a couple videos back. Super sick, has like the STI style wing on the back. Super clean car, super clean build. Just linked up with him. He's currently actually following me right now. I can see him in my rear view mirror, and oh my gosh, his car is so mean looking, looks so sick. Oh, yo, there's another Subi following. Dude, we straight cruising right now. This is sick. The FRS has sequential headlights, and oh my gosh, that is fire. FRS looking fresh, you already know, was good. Yo, honestly, his windows are tinted, So nice, so perfect. I really need to retint mine. I just came and grabbed the long sleeve boosted tee. This is gonna make good for photos since I haven't shot them for a while. Dude, look at the setup. This is just so fresh. All right, let's go cop the homies and then we'll be on our way mobbing out to Farmington. Let's go. Oh yeah, also I had to put on a belt because my pants were falling down and I honestly hate that. So I had to put a belt on. Just thought I'd let you guys know, you know, it's part of the process of what we doing. Part of the process of what we doing.
Party girl, she just wanna have fun. They say you ain't wifey type, but I don't care, I want you. She like to do drugs too. Shit. I might leave you on scene, baby, I don't mean it.
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
Hey, Alex on God, let's
Remember,
go.
kids, stay hydrated.
You know how we coming? Don't play with me.
Woo! Oh, okay. I feel the vibes for real.
Hey, bro, is that an Evo?
It's like Evo X or something.
Evo X? Like 10 or 11?
I think it's, yeah, it's 11.
11?
Yep. Oh my gosh. Do what you gotta do for the shot. All right, you ready? Okay, you ready? 3, cheese, bro. 3, 2. My bad, bro. I had to do it, dude. I had to do it. All right, let's move the car straight to get some different angles. Oh, AC feeling good in here. Coming from an 04, you just don't realize what AC does for you.
We out here sweating.
This is the vlog.
It's a vlog from the boy. You in the no cap, no kidding.
Bro, the homie over there broke his neck over your car,
Hey.
and then he almost ran into me, dude. I was like, oh my gosh. Then he broke his neck over mine, almost hit the mailbox. That was a double neck, dude. He needs to chill. Yo, y'all coming? Oh, they're coming. What's up?
You call an ambulance, bro.
I know, we're breaking necks.
Stay gay.
We came to the 7-Eleven, you know what better. wait, where am I at? So basically, you can my boy Ripper Sanders. No
Ring,
Kizzy-
ring.
No Kizzy Sanders.
Ring, ring.
Yo, what's good?
Yo, what's good, bro?
You trying to go boost?
I'm trying to like pop out with the boost.
Bet,
at
let's
the
go
party.
boost, bro.
Oh, all right, bet.
I bet, let's go.
You know
boost.
The Gatorade with the nipple hit different. Gator nipple. What'd you say it was?
Gator nipple, bro.
Gator nipple.
Straight from the gator's nipple, dog.
Dude, he doesn't know. He's looking at the ice cream like, bro, that's about a smack.
It's like 98 degrees out, you know?
Dude, for real. Some hot girls just drove by. Officially, welcome back to my videos, everybody. Today, I have so much to say, so get ready for all this information you're about to intake through this video and enjoy it because you guys are gonna love this. I have to honestly pull out my notes because I couldn't even remember it all. Starting at the top of the list here, we are getting back to the regular vlogs. The last couple vlogs you guys have seen has been a lot of me messing around, running around with my friends, but here's the reason why. The reason why is because learning this from one of my other buddies, he calls it a deload or a deload week, okay? With anything you do in life, what you really need is a deload week, okay? So you take a break, kind of just take a step back, relax, and just kind of chill for, you know, a certain amount of time. Sometimes it's a deload, you know, day, week, a month, maybe if you need. With that being said, I finished the body kit. It was a huge project for me, especially with being a smaller level content creator. I just took a week. We just finished the body kit, got it all done, and now I'm in the creative mode, the process of getting something back in line, which is, I got further information. I just needed a week to mess around with my friends, kind of just, you know, chill. And this video being the start of me getting back on the grind and getting back to creating the best content for you guys. You already know. One thing I wanted to say is shout out to a homie. His name is Parker. Really cool friend. He actually has subscribed to me and found me through social media, and I ended up meeting him at a party last night. It was awesome. We totally just kicked back the whole party, straight chilling. We were talking about cars. We were talking about, he has a Tacoma. He does a lot of like off-roading and stuff with his buddies. Super cool dude, rides the dirt bikes, way chill. He actually gave me this pendant. Now, I've been looking for a pendant to put on my chain for so long, hence the reason I put my mom on my chain for a minute. It was really heavy and it would kind of start getting in the way, and I did not want it to get ruined as my chain was swinging up, hitting things. I just didn't want it to get ruined, so I went ahead and hung it in my car like you guys seen. So with that being said, I was looking for a chain pendant. Parker, my boy, gave me this one. It's actually Hard Jewelry. If you know, you know. Really popular, dope brand. They kind of just have a dope certain vibe with their products and everything. Super sick. I got my Capri Sun Pacific Cooler Best Flavor. Capri Suns, I don't know why, they lately been hitting different. They smack. Super good. I don't know what else, I don't know how much more you need me to say. Anyways, moving on here. Here's where the good part starts for the video. I'm getting too hyped, I can't even control this. Okay, so you guys have been asking me what my next mod is going to be for my car. Okay, obviously we're going performance. I'm just gonna come out and tell you guys right now what I'm doing, because honestly, I feel like I should inform you guys through the vlogs. It's gonna make it a lot easier, and then you guys will be able to kind of retain and keep up the more information I give out to you guys. So basically, right now, I am in the works of working with my sponsorship, Grimspeed, on getting a J-pipe for the car. I will continue to update you guys through the process of that. So as of right now, I'm talking with them right now. We're figuring something out. There you go. J-pipe coming soon. Here's the last thing I want us to talk about before we get into installing the side skirts on my car is, guys, I think I have another big project in the works for the channel. Not for my car, for the channel. It's gonna be honestly a game changer if it goes through. Most of you guys know Jake from meeting up with him, and he painted my body kit, okay? I think I'm gonna further work with him on some other level stuff. I don't wanna say too much because it's not a final official plan yet. I'm going to be linking up with him tomorrow or Wednesday, and we're gonna talk some things through and hopefully get something crazy going. I cannot wait to update you guys on that. It's going to be absolutely insane for the channel, and it's gonna be so entertaining, great content for you guys, and so far so forth, okay? Whew. Sorry guys, that was just a lot of facts spitting. Like, I'm kind of on fire right now. I'm a little sweating a little bit. I'm kind of getting a little sweat, you know what I'm saying? Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, boys, let's start to work on the car. Okay, so for today's video, we are going to be putting my side skirt extensions back on. I totally forgot I had these. I can't even believe I forgot. Like, how do you forget you have side skirt extensions? Anyways, I'm gonna set these down right here. I'm gonna pull the car in, and then we'll jack it up because the car's too low now to even fit the drill underneath, and honestly, I do not want to tighten the screws up by hand, which they are over here. Oh shoot. Sometimes I use my wallet as a tripod. And I got my juice box. Okay guys, where's all my hardware, bro? Oh, there they are. All right, so basically all these, and they are not a screw on the head. As you can see, they're like a socket almost. So I have been using my drill to take them off and put them on. With that being said, the drill doesn't fit underneath the car vertical, so I have to jack the car up. Let's get to that point and I will be right back. Whew. Guys, today I'm feeling good. I hope you guys are feeling good as well. And whew, such a good day. Just such a good day. So much time is wasted just not being happy. So you always just gotta be happy. And where you can find happiness is in Rivers Vlogs. Let's go. Okay. Gosh, I might need another one. The car is currently parked in the garage, as you guys can see. One thing I really wanted to say real fast, the weather in Utah, it went from like 40 to 30, 40 degrees straight to 80. We are hitting at, I think it's actually, my car just said 89 degrees. Wow. That's swimming weather. Honestly, I'm trying to go swimming. My cousin has a pool we can go to. Oh my gosh, it's so sick, it's so big. So I think I'm gonna go there Saturday. I'll vlog a little bit, get a few clips to insert into one of the videos, but you know how we do. Other than that, let's get working on the car. Okay, I just finished up both sides of the car and oh my gosh, the side skirt extensions added so much aggression to the whole look of the car. You guys have to see this. This is my angle of the car right now and oh my gosh, how does it look so good? I don't know, but she right there, she bad. As you guys can see from the side of the car, these side skirts look so amazing. Now in choosing your side skirts, there's going to be many options. Different companies make different styles, make different versions, make different looks. All kinds of sorts of factors go into that, where the extensions I have on my car right now are the Aeroflow Dynamics carbon fiber side skirt extensions. They're a lot wider fit, so they go perfect with the wide body kit. Sitting flush with the back, as you can see, it pokes about that much. Right here you can see it just fits so perfect with the wide body kit. Lining everything up, and then right here you can see really how far it does stick out itself. It adds just an awesome touch to the car with that being carbon fiber, the front canards being carbon fiber, and the big wing being carbon fiber. It is almost a bunch of accents as itself. In the future, I really am thinking about a carbon fiber hood. I think it would look super sick for the car, but like I said previously in this video, downpipe needs to happen. Sorry, J-pipe needs to happen, and we're gonna make it happen. Oh my gosh, boys, look at the Subi though. Like, oh my gosh, I just cannot believe how good it looks, and it just keeps growing from there. Super excited about it. Everything has turned out so well. So in choosing your side skirts, be super careful, because having these on previously before the body kit, it didn't look amazing, but it looked pretty dope, so you can go with these ones. But they make some with little winglets. You can go with that look. Really just try to go for a look that fits your build and your style. There's many different ways to build a car, and the way you build a car really kind of just shows your style and really how you do things. So as you guys can see, this is the kind of style of how I build cars. Super sick, super dope. I don't even know why I backed it out, but whoa, I'm totally not used to those being there anymore, and I'm gonna step on them a few times, but I'll get used to it. Kind of throws you off at first though. Other than that, guys, I think that's gonna have to end it for today's video. Stay tuned for the next one. Until next time, guys, peace.